Okay, in this second part of this video, prior to going to the laser engraver with this file, we need to deal with the text that we have here. If you translate this out as a DXF, like I said in the previous video, it'll translate the triangle out just fine. However, when you get over to the laser engraver that runs RDWorks V8, you turn it on and you load up this file, you will not see your text. So what we need to do with this text is do a technique called explode text. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to select this particular text right here. I'm going to come over here to Express Tools. I'm going to go to Modify Text, and I'm going to go to Explode. Now you notice the text turned green. If it turned green, then you successfully exploded the text. So we'll go ahead and select all of this, and we'll just go through the process here. Now, once the text is exploded and we take it over to the laser engraver, we're not actually going to engrave this text. We're going to use a cut technique, but at a very low power, where it scribes in the lines that you see here into the NDF, but it does not engrave it. Single line text engraving can be very difficult. However, with the scribing technique you can use with a laser engraver and a low power cut technique, it'll look actually very good. Okay, so let's go back and save our file again. We'll come back up here and we'll save our file as a DXF here. And I'm going to go ahead and give this one a second version here of 3. Excuse me, a third version, call it version 3. Go ahead and hit save. And I'll take that file and email it to myself. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to go ahead and go over here to my web browser. I'm going to go find Gmail. And I'll log into Gmail here, do a Control A, select all that, key in Gmail, and it'll bring up my Gmail account. And yes, I'm logged in. I'll go ahead and compose a new email. Give it a second here and we'll open up email. Try that again. There we go. It's like I opened up 2 of them. Okay, so I'm going to send this back to Texas Platman. That's my own personal email. Select that, and I'll come over here and I'll put down the subject of triangle number 3. Okay, I'll go find that file, the attached file. And I'll come over here to AutoCAD. Let's go to AutoCAD, my folder, 306090. And there's my number 3 DXF file. I'll attach it, and then I will send it to myself. Now, as you can tell, it sent that file over to me. It shows that it's attached. Well, I'm not going to open it up here. I'm going to go over and log on to the laser engraver computer, get into Gmail, and open and download that file, and then we'll work on it from there.